this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the correct Bolt app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, because there are so many apps and there are so many imitations, you'll want to distinguish which is the right Bolt Carbo app. To do this, first I'll uninstall my app, then take you through the whole process. You need to go to Play Store if you're on Android like me. However, if you are on iPhone, you need to look for an app called App Store. Tap on it and then go search for your app using the search bar here. So I just search for Bolt like that and run my search. Now you can see here the result. We already have Bolt here. Tap on it first before you install, just to make sure that you have the right app. To ensure you have the right app, make sure it is from Bolt Technology, and this is the tagline: request a ride. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 with over 10 million reviews, and the file size is around 38 MBs, and this app has been downloaded over 100 million times. And you can see the current logo for the Bolt app is here. So if you see these details, then you have the right app. To install, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Bolt app and then install it on your smartphone. So once the app is installed, you can proceed and open it from here. Or if we go back to our apps, now you can see we have our app. If you open it, this is the welcoming logo or interface. So that's how you can install the right Bolt app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.